Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Let's talk about NIO. We did discuss this stock last week and we came to a few different scenarios. Now, the bullish scenario has played out. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it on my channel. But yeah, yesterday we went up almost 9% on very high volume to $8.79. And more importantly, we broke crucial levels. We closed above the 50-day moving average, that green line. That's very important. Well, on Friday, we were even below that. We just closed above, and immediately it triggered that close above the 50-day yesterday. Still, as I explained already in the previous video, this level is very important and hard to break. Why? Well, we are currently in this downward channel right here, and yeah, we just closed above it, so it does look like a close. Today is going to be very important to get a continuation, and even a continuation is probably not enough yet. Why? Because on previous occasions here in March and in April, we also closed above that 50-day moving average. Also here in January, we closed above it for quite some time, and even in December, we also closed above it quite some time. However, every time we didn't manage to get like that nice trend channel, that nice move up. Why? Because basically every time we had those lower highs. We had lower highs in January, in April, and in March and April, and now maybe not. So that's why I think that the next crucial level is absolutely the high of April, which is around $10. That's absolutely crucial to break, because if we can break that, we can finally get that confirmation we desperately need, and we can finally start an upward cycle, a bullish trend. Because every time we did break above the 50, which is quite bullish, we didn't manage to get a higher high. So it's absolutely important. And from that point on, the next level would be around the 1075, which was the high in March. From that point on, if we are able to get those higher highs, definitely the next point of resistance would be the 200-day moving average, which was also the resistance September 2022, and that would get us a move to around $12. Well, that will probably come down as well, so it will probably be somewhere between $11 and $12 if we're gonna get that bullish continuation for the next couple of weeks. Now, on the downward side, however, we do also have to keep in mind the bottom, the support level is still at around 734, but that's quite far away now. So, in my opinion, the risk reward here is still quite good. It's around 50-50 on the upward and the downward side. However, because we, of course, got that very nice bullish close above the 50-day, every indicator is currently green and looking like we are going to get a nice move up. And also, if you compare it to other stocks like Tesla, which we also discussed in this channel, you can check it out as well. We did get a very nice bullish continuation yesterday, and it seems like finally the stocks that have been performing pretty bad over the past couple of months are finally getting the recognition they deserve and finally get that nice move up. Now, on the weekly, we do see that there's still that 20-week moving average, which is at around $9.50, and that 50-week could also still be an interesting level. We saw that in March, it was eventually the resistance point, and also here in January, we struggled with it. Also in September, so it's basically kind of the same story as the 50-day moving average, which we broke yesterday. So yeah, this could be the start of a very nice move up. Please keep in mind that we are really wanting to stay above that 50-day now, see it as a new support level. If it can become a new support level, we could enter a scenario which we kind of had in 2020. Of course, that was a very big move up, but as you can see in this case, it was the 20-day. It was really forming a very nice level of support every time. So this is what you want with those levels, and yesterday could be the start of a very nice move up and a bullish run, a bullish flow of the stock, and summer is ahead. So I mean, what better way to start than for NIO to finally end that downward trend. Now, what do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comments what you think about NIO, what your projections are. I'm honestly, it's not financial advice, of course, but I'm quite bullish after yesterday and last Friday as well, and I could feel like we could really get into that bullish momentum. But please let me know what you guys think. Also, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and I hope to see you all next video.